All right, thanks, Cameron. And Justin, today it is chilly out there and some wind. We're hoping things will start to warm up, maybe just a little bit for us.
Yeah, it was a south wind, but it didn't have a chill to it with all the cloudy skies. And the last 3 days have been chilly, 38, 48, and a high temperature of 47 here today. Earlier this week, 60s and rain. And the previous week, we had rain and snow, as we've had a little bit of everything here in February, except, well, I guess we did have one 70-degree high temperature on the 6th. We're going to add a couple more as a little bit of a spring tease or a little spring fever is going to take over for the next 3 or 4 days. 40 degrees right now, south wind. We've had some high level clouds out there, and that'll be the case here for the overnight, especially central and southern half of the state, as those south winds continue to be a little breezy in nature. Upper 30s to low 40s will fall into the low to mid 30s for a lot of us, as those south winds again keeping us a little warm, helping to move the air, mix the air so that cold air can't settle to the ground, and also the clouds kind of keep us insulated. So we'll go low to mid 30s to mid to upper 30s with that south breeze that will relax throughout the overnight. And tomorrow they'll go light in nature out of the southwest, and 10 to 15 occasional gusts near 20 with high temperatures under a mixture of sun and clouds. How about this? 20 degrees warmer than today with less wind and a little bit of sunshine. So get outside and enjoy a nice Sunday afternoon with a mixture of sun and clouds. Our average high temperature for this time of year still cool in the middle 50s, as we'll top out upper 60s to maybe some low 70s. Much of the same can be expected on President's Day on Monday. Upper 60s to low 70s, a little bit more of a westerly wind, but you notice still relatively light in nature, especially for Oklahoma standard, as we'll average a wind of around 10 to 15. Here comes our next storm system. Look at that big spin of low pressure. It's taking a low track here, and this will head our way as we head towards Tuesday night into Wednesday. But you notice those high level clouds. That's some of the moisture that'll be with us from mid to the upper levels of the atmosphere. That will, give us a little bit of filtered sunshine at times, some partly to mostly cloudy skies at times. So it won't be blue skies over the next couple of days, but we are going to warm temperatures up with 70-degree high temperatures taking over on Monday and Tuesday. And there's that weather system that comes in kind of moisture starved at first, and the greatest forcing is going to be to the south and east of us. So most of the state might not see that much in the way of rainfall as we head towards late Tuesday night into Wednesday if the track continues in the speed of low pressure. We'll have to watch that closely. But again, eastern Oklahoma, best chance of rain and a couple rumbles of thunderstorms. And then Thursday into Friday behind that weather system, we'll get a little shot of some colder air. It will be colder from the 70s to the 40s for highs and 50s. But this doesn't last very long. We have a active weather pattern, and another weather system will help boost those temperatures up a couple degrees, maybe not as warm, but give us another shot of rain as we head towards next weekends. But overall, no Arctic air heading our way anytime soon, as we're looking at upper 60s tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, a southwest wind at around 10 to 20. So take advantage of tomorrow. A lot of you are off. A lot of the kids are off on Monday because of President's Day. 72 and a light south wind that'll pick up during the afternoon, and look at the middle 70s taking over Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday's rain early on into the morning. Main action goes off to the east, and we'll go low to mid 70s for afternoon highs, and then that shot of some colder air comes in Thursday, especially on Friday. Maybe another shot of some showers with upper 50s to near 60, which is pretty seasonable for this time of the year as we head towards next weekend. Sylvia.